This is an ELA breeze. Text features such as graphs, charts, and tables are used by writers to help the reader understand data. Data is mostly represented using numbers. Let's look at source number 1. A person who is unable to focus is usually tired. A good night rest is something all humans should have in order to be able to function each day. The National Sleep Foundation's recommended sleep pattern for adults is 7 to 9 hours per night. But for children, the recommended sleep pattern is 9 to 11 hours per night. Now, this information is pretty straightforward, but if you have any other problems pertaining to understanding this text, let's look at the part that says the National Sleep Foundation's recommended sleep pattern for adults. And let's look at, for children, the recommended sleep pattern. These sleep patterns are represented using numbers. 7 to 9 hours per night for adults and 9 to 11 hours per night for children. So, as a writer, what I would actually use is I would use a graph, and I would represent both the adults and the children separately. 7 to 9 hours per night, 9 to 11 hours per night, as represented in the graph. The graph will actually show you and help you understand, pulling out the information that's specific for adults and that information that's specific for children.